Hello everyone, this is Teacher Karen. So ang lesson natin is multiplication of fraction. So we have problem solving pizza pie again kasi yan talaga yung magandang example for fraction. So pizza pie. Austin was a pizza chef. Each pizza pie that he makes has 8 slices. His restaurant allows customers to order quarter o yung hinati sa 4 lang or half or whole pizza. Pero lahat yung nahihiwa ng 8. Kaya lang yung iba, 2 slice lang yung in-order, yung iba 4 slices or half, yung iba naman buong pizza. So Austin received an order for 1 whole pizza, isang whole pizza, 4 na half pizza, and 5 na quarter pizza. So, question number 1. What fractions represent half? And how about quarter? Since 8 hati yung pizza, kapag sinabing half, that is, half means 1 half, and quarter means 1/4. Okay. So, pag sinabing quarter, yung 1/4. Pag sinabing half is 1/2. Okay. Question number 2. Determine how many slices are there in each fraction of pizza pie. So, in 1 whole pizza, we have 8 slices. Ngayon, pag sinabing half of pizza or 8 times 1/2, that is 4 slices. And then kapag sinabing quarter or 1/4, that is 8 times 1/4. So that is 2 slices. Okay, next. Question number 3. How many slices did they order in total? So, di ba nga, ang order isang whole pizza, 4 na half pizza, and then 5 na quarter pizza. So, ilan lahat slices yung order? So, the order consists of 1 whole pizza, 4 half pizzas, and 5 quarter pizza. So, 1 whole pizza is 8 slices. And then, 4 na half pizza. So, 4 times 1 half of pizza. And then, 4 times 4 slices. And then, we have 16 slices. So, 4 daw na half, tiga-half na pizza. So, meron tayong 4 slices. And then, so lahat yun ay 16 slices. Ngayon, 5 daw na tigwa 1/4 pizza. So, ang 1/4 na pizza is 2. Kung babalikan natin yung kanina, ito. So, kapag half, pag whole, 8 slices. Pag half, 4 slices. Pag quarter, 2 slices. Kaya, ang nangyari sa number 3, isang whole, so, ibig sabihin, isang 8 ang slice. Tapos yung 4 half, ibig sabihin, 4 na tig-4 na slice. So, 16 na siya. Then, 5 na quarter, ibig sabihin, 5 na tig-2 slice. Kasi yun yung quarter. So, yung 1 whole is 8. Yung half natin is 16 slices. And then, yung quarter natin, 10 slices. Yun yung order. So, kung i-add natin lahat, 8 plus 16 plus 10. So, ang slice na order is 34 slices. So, we will proceed to multiplication of fraction. If A over B and C over D are rational numbers, then A over B times C over D. So, i-multiply lang natin si A at saka si C, which is AC, over B times D. So, that's as simple as that. Dahil nyo kapag whole number, automatic ang denominator niya is 1. Next, multiplication of fraction. Example. So, negative 3 over 10 times 2 over 7. So, we will multiply, simply we will multiply negative 3 over 10 times 2 over 7. So, negative 3 times 2 over 10 times 7. So, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Then 10 times 7 is 70. Then get the lowest term. So, how do we get the lowest term? So, the answer is negative 35y. So, 2 yung common nilang dalawa. So, negative 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 70 divided by 2 is 35. So, this is the final answer. Number 2, negative 5 and 1/3 times negative 4 and 1/2. Pagka may mix, so we will change it into improper fraction. So, negative 5 times 3 is, so 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1, 16. So, negative 16 over 3. And then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So, negative 9 over 2. Then, 16, negative 16 plus times negative 9, since para silang negative, that is positive. The answer is 144. Then, 3 times 2 is 6. So, 144 over 6, yung lowest term niya, that is 24 over 1 or 24. For 144 divided by 6 is equal to 24. Basta tandaan nyo kapag ang denominator is 1, automatic that is whole number. Next, number 3. What is 3/4 of 80? So, 80 times 3/4. So, 80 times 3 over 1 times 4. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko, pag whole number, may automatic 1 yan. So, 80 times 3, that is 240 times 1 over 1 times 4 is 4. So, since pwede mong i-divide yung dalawang yan, so the answer is 60. So, we have activity. Architecture. It is a large semicircular or polygonal recess in a church, arch, or with a dome roof, typically at the eastern end and usually containing the altar. So, perform the indicated operation in each letter. Put the letter that corresponds to the answer below to reveal the word that is the given meaning. So, we have here the 4 letters, A, E, P, S. And then, to know the answer or the word sa the definition ito, we will perform this indicated operation. So, sasagutan muna natin yung mga tanong sa ilalim ng mga letters na to bago natin itong buo. And then, sa letter A, we have negative 1/3 times negative 2 over 7. So, negative 1 times negative 2 over 3 times 7. So, negative 1 times negative 2, that is positive 2. 3 times 7 is 21. So, 2 over 21, that is the letter A. Okay, next. Letter E. 4 and 2/5 times negative 1 and 1 over 6. So, we will change this one into improper. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Then, copy the denominator 5. Next, 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. Negative 7 over 6. So, 22 times 7, negative 7, 5 over 5 times 6. So, negative negative 7 times 22, that is negative 154. Then, over 6 times 5 is 30. Then, get the lowest term or the mixed number for that. So, negative 154 divided by 30, that is 5. So, 150 na siya. So, ang remainder niya na 4, that is the numerator. 4 over 30. Eh, ginawa nating lowest term yung 4 over 30, divide by 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then, 30 divided by 2 is 8. So, the final answer is negative 5 and 215. So, the answer to this is letter E. Then, okay, next. Letter P. So, negative 5 over 2 times 3 and 3/4. So, negative 5 over 2, copy lang. And then this one, we will change into improper. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15 over 4. And Then, negative 5 times 15 over 2 times 4. So, negative 5 times 15, that is negative 75 over 2 times 8 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. And then, 75 divided by 8, that is negative 9. So, may remainder siyang 3. So, 3 over 8. So, the answer is negative 9 and 3 over 8. So, ito yon. So, dun mo ilalagay yung P. Then, next, last is okay, next. S. 24 times 3 over 8. So, 24 times 3, then 1 times 8. So, 24 times 3 is 72. 1 times 8 is 8. 72 divided by 8, that is 9. So, sumobra doon, wala na remainder. So, the answer is 9. So, dito mo ngayon ilalagay yun. So, ang word na hinahanap natin ay apps. Next, pad paper. So, Ruby used 1/4 of her 100 pesos to buy a pad paper. How much money did she spend for the pad paper? So, 100 times 1/4. That is 100 times 1, then 1 times 4. So, 100 times 1 is 100, 1 times 4 is 4. Kasi nga, ginamit niyang pinambilid sa pad paper, 1/4 ng pera niyang 100. So, magkano kaya yun? Kaya yung tinatanong natin. So, 100 divided by 4 is 20. So, ang na-spent niya is 25 pesos for the pad paper. So, we will recall. So, in multiplication of fraction, if A over B and C over D are rational numbers, then A over B times C over D is equal to AC over BD. Okay, see you again next time. God bless you. Thank you.